Hey everyone, if you've ever tried to open a .exe file on your Chromebook and hit a wall, you are not alone. Chromebooks don't support Windows apps natively, but don't worry, in this guide I'll show you how to run .exe files on any Chromebook in 2025. Let's get into it. So, firstly, let me give you a quick reality check. Chromebooks run on Chrome OS, not Windows. So, to run a .exe, which is a Windows program, we need a workaround. The good news, you have a few solid options. Like first of all, you can use Linux mode. Most modern Chromebooks come with Linux support. Just head to your settings, turn on Linux beta. Turn on Linux beta and install a Windows compatibility layer called Wine. With Wines installed, you can open many .exe files, especially older or simpler apps, right inside the Linux terminal. So the option number 2 will be remote desktop. So you can you can follow this method. If you have a Windows PC at home, use Chrome remote desktop to connect to it from your Chromebook. You can use any remote desktop alternatives like AnyDesk, remote desktop protocol, go to my PC, remote PC, TeamViewer. You can pick any of them. Then you can run any .exe remotely as if you were sitting at the Windows. So let me give you a quick tip also. If you are dealing with games or heavier software, performance can vary. Chromebooks aren't built for heavy Windows apps, but for lightweight programs and tools, these methods work great. So there you have it. You can run .exe files on a Chromebook. It just takes a little setup. If this helped you out, drop a comment, hit like, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips.